Okay, let's make some tea cakes. That's 2 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, teaspoon of salt, a whole cup of sugar, and just whisk that all together. And then I melted 1/4 of a cup of butter in that bowl there, and then I added 1/4 of a cup of milk to it, and whisk that together. And then I add an egg, and whisk that in. And then I added some vanilla, and just a little bit. I get that all mixed in. About a tablespoon of vanilla, my homemade vanilla. And just beat that together and put it in your dry flour mixture and mix it up. Well, there's going to be a little bit sticky, so you might want to put a little bit of flour in your hands, but just put about a tablespoon or so of dough, roll it up and put it on your pan and flatten it down with your fingertips a little bit. And it's so cool of me to make it where you can't really see what I'm doing here. Can't see me rolling it up, and can't see the cookie when I put it down, but trust me, it's there. And then you bake them at 400 for 8 minutes, and they look like that. They're tea cakes. Not quite my grandmother's, but she's not around.